guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying out a new flat iron that I was sent. You guys know I love hair tools, love, because I love to style my hair. You guys already know that. Now I love straightening, I love curls, I love crimps, I love all of that. So I was so happy to receive this product. So I'm going to share it with you guys. I'm going to try it, and then guess what? You guys can get it too, 50% off. As you see, this wig, I haven't worn her in a while. This was my work wig. I would just braid it up like that and just keep it out. So it's not styled, it's not combed, it's not anything, as you can see. It's just on my head. So I'm gonna style this. This is 100% human hair. And I'm gonna style this using the flat iron and see how it goes. So if you would like to see that, then keep watching. Okay, so the flat iron is Faszin Fast Heat Series F100 Professional Hair Straightener. And this is how it looks, you guys. This is how it looks in the box. I'm gonna unbox it. Oh my gosh, it's heavy, it's nice. So we're gonna unbox it. Whew, just like that. So it comes with a manual to tell you how to use your flat iron. And this is the flat iron, and it comes with this box. Oh, okay. So, oh wow, oh, wow! Look how thick the wire is. This is like the thickest wire I've ever seen for a flat iron. What is this? Let's see what this is. Oh wait, I think these are hair clips, which I'm like so excited because I've never gotten hair clips with a flat iron before. Like it literally just comes with a flat iron. I got hair clips. Oh, I got black hair clips that I can literally just like clip in my hair. This is awesome. It's purple. It has purple shiny. It's a shiny purple right here. It says the name. It's white. All the buttons are in this area right here. It's closed, so I'm trying to see. Oh, is that how you open? So you can close it and open it. You know, some flat irons, most of them, and all the flat irons that I have, they do not close. Like, they're like this. When I put them away, they're just like this. Or what I usually do is I'll twist it up, and that's for it to close. But this, you can literally close it with this button, and it closes like that. With the Faszin flat iron, what's going to happen is it's going to blink a lot of numbers, and I'm going to show you really quickly, until you choose what temperature you want. So for example, I'm going to go lower. It's on 400 degrees. I'm going to go to 300. So while I'm going on 300, as you can see, the numbers are definitely flashing like really fast. Then eventually it will stop on the number that you choose. So it's on 380 and it stopped flashing. As you guys can see, it's on 380, it stopped flashing. So now I'm going to be able to use the flat iron. So that's what you want to do. You just want to click it. It'll start flashing different numbers, but you click it to what you want it to be, and then it'll build up to that temperature. So it's nice and hot. I can actually just feel it from here. It's hot, so I'm going to just go ahead and place it down. It says to make sure you don't have any tangles or anything in your hair when you're, flat ironing your hair, and that's just for every flat iron. You want to make sure that your hair is tangle free. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my brush and just comb through this hair to make sure there's no tangles whatsoever on this side. And I'm going to take a strand. I'm going to take this strand right here. And I'm just going to put this on the side so that can be held. And also keep this back too. So, okay. I'm not going to use that much hair. Okay, so I'm going to use the first strand and I'm going to just straighten it. As you can see, it's not super straight. You know, it has like a little wave to it and it just looks very dry. So we're definitely going to go do a one pass. Okay, so this one is combed out. So I'm going to start from here. Oh my goodness. Guys, look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, I'm looking at my mirror, which is right in front of me. Look, I only did it one time. And look at it. One time. Like, literally one time. And look how it looks. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and curl it. I want to see how it is when I curl it, because you can definitely curl with your flat irons. You guys know that, right? You don't always have to use a curling iron. So I'm gonna take another strand and I'm gonna curl it to see how it curls. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to see. I can't really see. Okay. So I curled it inside of the plates, so that probably would be better for me to see how it curls. I'm just going to hold it like that. Okay, I'm going to let it go. Ooh, let's see. Oh, okay, look at it curled, y'all. This is how the curl came out. Nice, 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 nice. I like how this curl came out. Look at that, y'all. That's nice. Ooh, I love it. So this is it straight. This is it straightened and this is it curled. Wow, not bad at all. I like that. Wow. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually straighten this whole side and leave this side how it is, because I want to show you guys the difference that it looks when it's straightened with this flat iron and when it's not straightened. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm literally only going to pass it one time. So I'm going to style it right now for you guys to show you how this looks before and after. I'm so excited to straighten this because this hair, like, look at it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and straighten this whole side, and I'll leave this whole side the way it is so I can compare the two.
Yeah, baby just dance with me. 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 And our chopper gon' dance with me. And our money gon' dance with me. And I'm pouring a drink and it answers me. These niggas they mad, they can't beat me. I'm rockin' when she rockin' with me. If I got my Glock throwing under the sea. Her favorite Margiela, she rocked overseas. We fallin' in love, we made her overseas. Yeah, I got them racks, you can't over me. Yeah, I got them packs, you can't over me.
Look how straight it came out, and I'm going to just put it behind me so you guys can see for yourself. Look how straight that came out. Super straight. I didn't even have to keep going over it over and over again like a, you know, with the flat iron. Literally just flat ironed it one time, and this is how straight it came out. No tangles at all, as you can see. Super straight. Guys, get this flat iron. And guess what? You're getting 50% off, because let me tell you something real quick. Let me tell you something. First of all, the original price was $159.99. That's right, $159. Yes, it was. Why? Because look at all it brings. But you, my subscribers, you get 50% off. You're going to be paying $79.99 for this. That's right. That's right. High, luxurious, high class, top of the line straightener iron for $80. Go get Fazin's hair straightener. The link is in my bio. You get 50% off. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And let me know what you thought about me literally passing this flat iron one time and it already being straight. I'll see you guys in my next video. But until then, keep slaying.